I got my sticky koala, and it has a handbag. You can put stuff in the handbag. And then I had this native jellyfish, and it's wait, how do I open it? Jelly squish, and this is the Nido proper logo right there. So this is a real Nido, and now I'm gonna open my dumpling. I haven't opened it. I just took the first bit of it, but the tape's still on there, and I haven't looked at it. It's real because it doesn't have lines at the bottom, and you can't see. So let's open it and see what we have. Okay, let me get the tape. Oh my god, tape is so sticky. Ah! I got my glitter dumpling! Yes! Yeah.